Guys, tingnan nyo to. Kakatapos lang ng Man of the World pageant na ginanap sa Winford Resort and Casino Manila kagabi, July 26, 2024. And the results. Man of the World Philippines Kenneth Cabongcal wins Man of the World 2024 first runner-up. He also bagged some special awards as follows. Man of Travel Award by Holiday Inn Express Manila. Man of the World Press Favorite Award. And Man of the World Best Informal Wear. Guys, sobrang tight ang laban ng dalawa, Philippines versus Venezuela. And at the end of the event, Venezuela Sergio Aswaga won the Man of the World 2024 title. At tinanghal naman na second runner-up ang pinatawa ng France. At third runner-up ang pinatawa ng Puerto Rico. At fourth runner-up naman ang pambato ng Ecuador. Okay guys, not bad for King Kenneth Cabongcal na muntika na makuha ang corona, that he did his best for the Philippines. At ito guys, balikan lang natin ang kanyang full winning performance during the finale of Man of the World 2024 competition. At huwag na natin patagalin pa, panoorin natin to.
Kenneth Vincent Cabongcal, Man of the World, Philippines!
The Holiday Inn Express Award goes to Man of the World, Philippines. Man of the World, Philippines.
And the Press Favorite Award goes to Man of the World Philippines and Man of the World Venezuela.
Congratulations. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here are the rest of the top 15. First top, we have Man of the World, Philippines.
Next semi-finalist is Man of the World Philippines.
Kenneth Vincent Cabongcal. His hobbies are playing basketball, a cheer dancer, and a marathoner. Man of the World, Philippines.
Our best informal wear is Man of the World, Philippines.
The fifth spot goes to you, Man of the World Philippines.
This is for you. Now we listen to Man of the World, Philippines.
As a boy who used to grow up in a public market, and as a boy who used to grow up in an unprivileged family, I think that destiny has brought me here tonight because destiny wants me to show inspire, and give hope to children like me that we can also shine in this world if we only believe in God, believe in ourselves, believe and trust in the power of sports education, and follow our heart's desire. And tonight, as I stand here, I want this to be a testimony that anything impossible can be possible. Mabuhay ka, Pilipinas!
Thank you so much, Man of the World Philippines.
First spot on the final five is Man of the World, Philippines! Let's begin our intelligence round with Philippines. Good evening, Philippines. Kindly choose your mascot, please. Your book is entitled Frankenstein by Mary Shelley.
Okay, so Frankenstein is an 1880 novel written by Mary Shelley. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so your quote goes, "Beware, for I am fearless and therefore powerful." Once again, "Beware, for I am fearless and therefore powerful."
Good evening, everyone. Before, I was just a bird without wings. But education really helped me and give me wings to fly. And now I am fearless, and now I am powerful. And this is a testimony that education will really help you grow as a person. It equipped me, it helped me improve my intellectual capacity, it improves me, my characteristic as a whole. In this, I hope that someday every children in this world and every people in this world will have education. Because in that, if everyone is educated, everyone is empowered and capable. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Man of the World Philippines. That is right.
Be announcing first the Man of the World 2024, meaning the last remaining country is our first runner-up. Again,
Yes, once again, you'll be announcing the Man of the World. After that will be our first runner-up.
we'll be announcing first the winner. The new Man of the World is Man of the World, Venezuela! And the first runner-up is Philippines!
To crown the new Man of the World, we have PEP's Director for Licensing, Mr. Aski Pascual, with PEP's President Carlo Morris Galang, and the CEO of Queen's Wellness, Miss Mary Grace Juliano, together with the Man of the World 2022, Aditya Kuranha. The winner of the sixth man of the world will also become the ambassador of Queen's Wellness Spa.